Hey yo, boom! What it is, what it do? Welcome to another tutorial. Let's get it! Yeah, so the first step with this dance is, what's the first step? Yeah. That's the first step. So basically, you take this leg, man, you take it forward, and then you cross, and then you take this one forward, and then you cross. Yes, just like that. And then after that, step number 2, you jump. Let's say you jump there, but then you jump and turn around at the same time. Jump. But then as you jump, you have to kick, you have to walk, and then when you come back, don't just stand, but do something like walk. So it's 1, 2, and then got it. Let's move on. And then next step after you kick there, and then you waist. Yeah, it's the first kick. You walk and then you go back and then so the first kick, it's like a preparation. You're not fully in yet, you're not doing the things yet. It's like a preparation.
The first kick, when they say you're facing someone.
In the face. In the face.
Pass.
Okay. Yes, go back and then fully in now. There and then. After that, wait, let's take it from the top. Let's start from the beginning. So, first step, second step, third step. Let's go. 1, 2, wait, let's go. Yes, that's the one. So, step number 1, next step, whatever. Next step is you go forward with this leg, and then you go forward with the other leg, and then you go forward with both legs, and then you go back. So it's 1, 2, 3, but you do it with some spice in your leg. Yeah, and then with tambula. What's up?
Okay, let's go.
And then basically, that's it. Basically, at the end, you can just do your thing,
What's this?
Let's get it. This one is for most movie. You know the vibes. Why would you do that? Let's get it. 1, 2. It's like a cut. How long is it?